from this side. Now before we finish the assemble of the LED, right? This is the casing for the modification. Okay. From this side. Now before we finish the assemble of the LED, right? This is the casing for the modification. Okay. Sure. Now we're starting to build. We are termination now. Eh? What is screw around? You know, we are screw small one, huh? I am the one who giving him them. Sure. There is some. I'll take video so that we know who do the work. If there is some problem, ada terminate hala risk. Hamam receive and receive by.
उधर जाने के लिए चाहिए ना कुछ?
Careful.
वो लाइट में पकड़ो.
The danger. We are working in a danger side. So putting that one.
Unsafe work.
Because there's this is not too much, sir. Did you see that one?
थोड़ा ही पकड़ेगा.
Innovation.
Unsafe work.
Careful.
वो सीढ़ी लगा दे यार अंदर. सीढ़ी. वो आएगा.
This is the lighting. See?
Insert.
Now we are on safe side. Okay, that's the work. You need safety first before work problem too much. If we are in disabled. This is for LED now. Okay. Finish. Okay.
Light blue for lighting.
Okay. Light blue lighting, huh? Excess fan blue. Soon dark blue.
We are giving in a common.
Switch, light, indicator, exhaust fan. Only three. Indicator, exhaust fan, lights.
These three wire must be checked which one is power.
Okay. Power but then return.
No, then fan.
Our tools there. You need to start. Finish, huh?
There we give power, then here check.
Okay. We will go there. Now we are all fixing. This is the socket. Okay. We start from restroom, so that because of the availability of the work. That's why we close, because this is constructed already by you see the tiles. The tiles is okay, and painting is okay. That's why now we are terminating for the arts or accessories of the light outlet. This one outlet for the hand dryer. We are focusing now. Only we put the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Then switch for the exhaust fan, lights, and then the boiler. Boiler means the heater. You see, needed heater there. So this is the switch. Okay. for gang switch. Dito yung switch. Kaya we terminate already the 1, 2, and then my beloved friend is all too much
Cable tie.
huh?
Cable tie.
Cable tie?
Yeah.
Cable tie, yeah. I am the one who giving cable tie for them. Okay. We have the things, huh? You see? Cable tie, black one.
Anyone, no problem.
Any, huh? Okay. So, yeah. This is the old exhaust fan. After coming, we remove that one. Old. Okay. So now we install first so that we can make our work
Temporary connection.
comfortable. If no exhaust fan problem. Now working. And this is the
Connector.
outlet. Connector, huh?
Connector and plug.
Connector unplug. Okay. Put connector. You want connector and plug. You see? We start that one. Okay. So that the air ventilation is working. Because if no air ventilation problem, we have problem for 2 months. This is the tiles we are putting. The texture is okay. Here, did you see that one? All that light. But we want to install other one. That's why my friend. Did you see that one? My friend. It's too much.
Mario,
Hey.
now give me a cover.
I'll take video so that we know who do the work. If there's some problem, ada terminate risk. Hamam receive by and receive by.
क्या करने वाला है?
उधर जाने के लिए चाहिए ना कुछ?
Careful.
वो लाइट में पकड़ो.
Ada danger. We are working in a danger side. So putting that one.
Unsafe work.
Because this is not too much, sir. Did you see that one?
दोनों ही पकड़ेगा.
Renovation.
Unsafe work.
Careful.
वो सीढ़ी लगा दे यार अंदर. सीढ़ी. वो आएगा.
This is the light. See? Now we are on safe side. Okay? That's the work. You need safety first before work problem too much. If we have been disabled, this is for LED now. Okay. Finish. The second one. Install the second one. Okay. Second one. See? The other one is done already. Okay. The other one. We have 6 more to go. Ito na yung na-install namin. We're installing, LED also, spotlight LED inside the plant. That's why now we are taking video because inside we cannot take video. We are installing our LED. 200 watts. We can only take photo after. Okay. Now we have in the we take the materials the lights in store, European store, huh? Men's store. Men's store. Okay. Now traveling LED. Select lighting. After this one, we go inside. We will coming back. Okay. Bye bye. We will go inside. Ito yung LED na ikakabit namin dito sa ano, we will be fitting 200 watts. Yan ang isasabit namin ngayon. Ito yung isasabit namin dyan sa taas, tulad nung install namin yan dyan. Kaya balikan lang natin guys. Start. Okay. Terminating. Okay. Starting. Only one people because we are two only. That's why difficult to go up, but then no people downstairs. Problem to